Prince Harry's recent bid to challenge the decision of the Home Office regarding his security arrangements in the UK has been unsuccessful, according to the verdict delivered by the High Court. The court rejected Prince Harry's request for a judicial review that would have allowed him to pay privately for a police security detail during his visits to the UK. Prince Harry believes that he should have the option to personally fund the protection provided by the Metropolitan Police for himself and his family whenever they return to the country. Mr. Justice Chamberlain, in a ruling on Tuesday, dismissed Prince Harry's application for a second legal challenge, citing several grounds for refusal. As the fifth in line to the throne, Prince Harry lost his automatic entitlement to police protection when he and his wife, Meghan Markle, decided to step down as senior members of the royal family and relocate to the United States. In December 2021, Prince Harry received notification from the RAVIC Committee, which is responsible for organizing security for royals and public figures, under the Home Office, stating that he would not be able to privately pay for police protection. The committee asserted that police officers were not available as guns for hire. Prince Harry was granted permission in July of the previous year to proceed with a judicial review regarding this decision, but the full hearing has yet to take place. Recently, he sought a second challenge, which was presented before the High Court earlier this month. During the hearing, Prince Harry's legal team requested the judge to allow the Duke to bring a case against the Home Office and the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures, RAVIC, which falls under the purview of the department. In opposition, the Home Office argued that RAVIC deemed it inappropriate for affluent individuals to purchase protective security, including armed officers, when the committee had determined that the public interest did not warrant publicly funded protection. Prince Harry's lawyers contended that RAVIC had exceeded its authority by making this decision. They argued that RAVIC's ruling contradicted legislation that empowers the Chief Officer of Police to authorize privately paid special police services for individuals. They further emphasized that entities like football clubs and music festivals often fund a police presence at their events. Additionally, Prince Harry's legal team argued that RAVIC's decision was unreasonable and that Prince Harry was not provided with an opportunity to present his case to the committee. The Home Office objected to these arguments, with its lawyers urging the court to uphold the judge's initial decision and dismiss Prince Harry's case. However, Mr. Justice Chamberlain's ruling on Tuesday stated that RAVIC did not express that it would be against the public interest to allow wealthy individuals to pay for police services. The judge clarified that RAVIC's decision was limited to the specific category of protective security services falling within its jurisdiction. These services involve the deployment of highly trained specialist officers who are scarce in number and are required to put themselves in harm's way to protect their principals. RAVIC's reasoning was based on policy considerations for not making these particular services available for private payment, despite the availability of other police services for hire. Mr. Justice Chamberlain found RAVIC's reasoning to be rational and free from any apparent flaws. As a result of this verdict, Prince Harry's security arrangements during his visits to the UK will not be privately funded. The ruling has implications for the level of protection provided to Prince Harry and his family, as they no longer hold senior roles within the royal family.